Etiefo memabuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so say asembia ana asemba kwa Ghana for emse dodo na ya adwen efi so Major Maxwell Mahama ne nsensem no emse omo ayesusu se womo edi newu no womo still womo ewo court na answer na beto aso na subscribe na click the notification bell so yen is our latest news we about onsa ebeka. The state prosecutors are aligning 14 witnesses as 14 witnesses see womo young crofo a womo bekasa efa de womo nim efa Maxwell Mahama ne wo ne ho na ende the 13th witness eba court na 13th witness no woye doctor wo hweye yen obi bekasa pathologist ye kasa obi ye pathologist a tese woye obi a emse ewuo ho nsem nipa a wewu ye autopsy ya hwedie kun nipa no ene sanyama ni na pathologist no hwe sanyama no so doctor wo hwe obi a wewu ye hwedie kun no ne nyama na doctor yi edensem bi eba abonten ende wo ba court na wo bekasa na wo kasa wo court na baby aye din because nsema na kan na Ghana for kra some of the issues the need him say NAC na ende nsema wo kan wo tre mu asenia Maxwell Mahama ye de inyama bon no de affecting no ene inyama atrese wo tre mu atrese Maxwell Mahama kan na se na ye bonitio etiefo se na answer na ye be hu video no se wo mo bono no na wo mo abonitio kra dada and the pathologist no ebe reveal ni nia e wo court but video na ye hu ye no em say etio side na ye born no obia ni ho a wo hu ye etiefo trese nsema e course no enye easy o na doctor yi ye friend no Dr. Lawrence Edusei na account ya wo be man wo mo call report ayenya efi ho ne say it was a very horrifying account. That is why na wo mo ayekom etie senior Maxwell Mahama inyama ye de ye no wo muti no mo say hey this a branch ye pa bra wo fame ni say chese bone ben na wa ye wo wu sebe wo fame say na Dr. Edu say ase no was it there were visible signs of violence on the body of a well-nourished male adult. The work can say no cre well, yeah, autopsy. No, the first thing I will realize is say Maxwell Mahama you be a sebe were well nourished. That is what did ye or shen ne husu ye ne hunam edda so bibia ye pe utumi say yes, he was living a good life. Na ube hu o ye ono ne first ade a wo hu ye ne say ube hu say ne kre abrante we answer na wo be wu no enkrofo bi edi ne wu ankasa. And our tears was say there were burns involving the head, both upper limbs, both lower limbs. Was say yes. Upsansu behu say yes sheno. Na she a yes sheno no affecting iti ne nsam mienu no e na ne nan mienu no so yes shena te say enhia yes sheno affect ye. And the abdomen. So in total about 54% of total body surface area was burnt. Now to say ne honam no ye kasi ye percentage of ne honama ye share about 54% ena ye share ne full lower abdomen ni na ye share. Was it there were multiple lacerations? Etiefo na se doctor e use say word lacerations a uko check dictionary a lacerations etrese a crow like deep cut. So wo bi desi kan ye twawa enya say ye twawa enimu intwa etwa ekodi deep obun say hey nipa ko we dey we proud cutting you severely and then you find the lacerations. That is was it there were multiple lacerations on the skull, the left side of the lower limb. That is ne nine yebeka benkum so no just say ye twa ne ntwa bia na enye easy ni tin so etwa ye twa na that is ngofo no aside the nyama omo ye nia no ubehu se bia na se kan kran na mo a wo mo edetwitwa no eka ho. Was a depressed fracture of the skull, fracture of the jawbone, chest bones, extensive bleeding under the skin of the head. That is a nitrim no inside no not to say moja no nitrina ngasa nitikanko no kankro no sene omokano no the skull no dompe niti dompe no to say ye de nyama boso ama ebuko mu ena ne jaw na no chese na no ne lower jaw eno nso sa ne boso eno nso utumi hu se ye autopsy ni ye hu se ni nia ebubu akom na chese abranje wo femu etiefo na the last witness yate send me din kan tell this Dr. Edu say we are the 13th witness out of 14. The last witness no assemblyman of Dentra Obasa Samokaya assemblyman yi ene yete say wono ena sabe wo bopa womo edi Major Maxwell Mahama ewuo say enti wono ena wo the last witness na wutie nsema eba ewo court na bo say yes na doctor na say wasanso x-ray examination na x-ray examination ne kan na wo ya wo de share bibia ase asen wo pese wo commence the postmortem no wo the x-ray examinations no na na say x-ray ni bema yehu ni bako ni dompemu ni yehu ne say weyebu na wo say wo carry x-ray examination no ho na wo hu say bullet pellets na say etu abuba no ye di gu ne left jaw na say pellet of the bullet no na oye actually no hu say bullet no egu ne left jaw na say ya bonitio e wona no ho na bullet no ekowure mu and I was also just say the lower end of the right thigh bone and the lower part of the left leg na say ne thigh ni mfanso no ehonso be hu say bullet ni gum ne left leg ne nine benkum so no so be hu say bullet gum ba say dem din ka ni ye nim say Maxwell Mahama kra ye sanso bonituo kan ho na say wo hu etuo say ya boni pako na no ne nine ne nyama na hu say etuo no ye bone pa ye na wo bi nim say ebia after ebia ne body ne da ho won wu no ena na mo pese wo mu ku no finally wo mu be bonituo no ba video ye hwe ye no ye hu say ye bonituo ewom but pathologist na say bullet ewo ni mu still ati say ye bonituo na misusu say ebia ye bonituo ye sanso hye ne body ne kan ho no eno na ema say the initial investigations and prelims investigations wo mo ye no wo mu ehu because ye bo bi tu a wo be hu say ebia itokuro no ewo ho be san say ye sanso hye body ne kan ho no Emma wo bia enhu se ya bonituo dabi we die na doctor no ye bisa ne se intietuo na ye bon no betumi atre etuo cross wontumi ntre but likely from the experience no otumi hu ne se shotgun just a shotgun ye di shooting no etuo na shotgun ye etuo na o crack it if I say I'm Roberts na say wo mo tell you so no crowd na we kita say etuo ni bi ene ya te say ye de ball no na doctor no esanso ye internal analysis na internal analysis a wo ye no wo hu say Major Maxwell Mahama he was bleeding in the brain and extensive bleeding on the surface of the lungs na say ni trim na adwen mu no na enu moja ena the lungs nso na enu moja nti hume kran na won hye to me humi ye na wase the lungs no wasanso hu a penetration injury in the lungs etiefo in the chest cavity at the left side there was a collection of blood a round pellet was retrieved from the left cavity there was extensive bleeding in the left upper part of the abdomen that is ne koko so kra na yesanso ebonituo egumu we dey just say ngofo mu di na ewu pan asem we yenim say etwem but chale ngofo ni di na ewu we die say law no ani omudi na in short no we say die eku ne pote die ye beka say die enam so a wo Maxwell ana Major Maxwell Mahama wo wu ye die ye ni nna no die enam so a say owu ye the multiple head injuries say nyama na ye de bubo ni ti na wo prepare wo ni ti no say tio na ye born kra na nya no nti no wu ye but the multiple head injuries send na ye de blocks ni hwehwe ni three so ye twitwa ni ti ye de nyama bobo ni ti no eno pote ene kun no na blunt object awo mu use ye wood iron rods shotgun stone we no catch court said these are unnatural causes of death. Naturally said that be way there. Sabe, and yes, I will no angasa and naturally will woo ye. Now way there uncrophone dinewu. Hey. At here for Montreal Madrid, our comment box nimo. Montreal Madrid medase. Now way there, a rehosem. Montreal Madrid.